Most men think a divorce just happens, like a clean break where both people walk away and try to rebuild. But what actually happens to a woman after a divorce is way more complicated, way more emotional, and way more revealing than most men ever realize. Because while a man usually feels the pain slowly over time, a woman starts feeling it immediately, deep, raw, and in ways she never expected. The moment the papers are signed, she tries to act strong. She posts happier pictures. She pretends she's thriving. She convinces everyone she's liberated. But behind that performance is a woman who suddenly feels the weight of everything she used to rely on. She feels the silence in the house, the missing footsteps, the empty half of the bed, the absence of someone who once knew her better than anyone. And the crazy thing is, she doesn't fall apart instantly. She goes into this survival mode where she distracts herself with anything that makes her feel wanted. That might be attention from other men, new clothes, a fresh haircut, a new lifestyle. It's not because she's moving on. It's because she's trying to fill a space she doesn't know how to deal with. She's trying to outrun the emotions that eventually catch up. But then it hits her. Maybe it's late at night. Maybe it's in the middle of something random, doing dishes, sitting in traffic, folding clothes. She'll feel this sudden punch of regret, confusion, loneliness. She starts remembering all the things she took for granted, the stability you brought, the way you handled things she never had to worry about, the comfort of knowing someone had her back even on her worst days. And slowly, her image of you changes. Not because you became someone new, but because she finally sees what you were the whole time. The protector, the anchor, the man who absorbed stress so she didn't have to feel it. The man who stayed strong in moments where she fell apart. That's when fear kicks in. She starts wondering if she'll ever find that again. If another man will love her with the same patience. If anyone else will deal with her moods, her silence, her insecurities. She looks at the dating world and realizes it's nothing like she remembered. Men aren't as loyal. Attention isn't the same as commitment. Chemistry isn't the same as trust. And then there's the guilt. She'll scroll through old pictures and feel that sting because she knows she had something rare, something stable, something real, and she let it slip through her fingers, thinking the grass was greener. The truth is, divorce doesn't free a woman. It forces her into a reality she wasn't ready for. And the emotional crash that follows is something no filter, no rebound, no new chapter can truly hide. Because deep down she knows the life she had with you, she might never get that again.